Oh, hi everyone. I'm Landon, your host. You might remember me from your other episode. We're going to talk about natural disasters. There's so many. There's droughts, floods, hurricanes, and tornadoes, and very strong winds. How do they happen? We're going to talk about droughts. When people use too much water, farmers have to shut down their things. So businesses like what you're paying for, like get paid for all of your stuff, they're gonna get shut down. And that's bad. Droughts usually happen naturally. Like let's say there's a big lake, a big lake, and there's a little city, and the evaporation is too much, and it's a very, very hot day, and you're using too much. And so, it can't do it if you use that much. Like a drought could happen. There's not enough rain too, and droughts happen because, let's say there's a mountain, and there's snow, and a city depends on it. Like, there's thousands and millions of people. If there's not enough snow, there's rain instead. There's not enough snow melt. The cities could be in really trouble. Farmers wouldn't have enough water, and they're, like cows, sheep, they want to be healthy, so we can't eat them. In poor countries, some people could die. So if there's a drought and there's only like dirty water, if you drink that, thousands of more viruses could be stronger. And that's going to be very, 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 very bad. You could die easily. But if you're old, you could just die like this, snap, you're done. Some people don't have enough food and water, so they could starve to death. They're natural and they happen all the time. You don't realize that, but they happen all the time, all around the world. It's important still to conserve water. Conserve means to save water. And you need to take short terms and baths. Not like really short ones, but like short. Because if we did long ones, that could make a drought. Next, we're talking about hurricanes. Water heats the air bucket. That makes the air less dense. It rises. Cool air rushes in, fills the space left by the rising air. Continues. As the ocean heats the air, rises in, more air comes in. That is a vacuum. Cool air wants to travel straight. The earth is curved because of the huge spin. The high winds cause huge waves. It continues to rise in the middle, warm air that is, of course. It rises more and more and more energy from the hot water. Once the wind reaches 74 miles per hour, the category 1. Category 5, the biggest, 157 miles per hour. When here comes run out of steam, it's because they hit cool water or land. The huge rainstorm after. So the damage is like, let's say there's a house. You know how in land, let's say there's like 21 trees in their backyard. It could cross over all of those and one tiny hit. Like, here's a tree. That's very dangerous. You have to shut off your lights, get safety supplies, and always get food and water, and have a plan fast. That's the way how you do safety in a hurricane. We're going to talk about tomorrow, flood and rain thunderstorm, and that's all for today. And bye.